Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to become a successful freelancer even if you do not have any experience. That is what today's video is going to be about. So welcome to my YouTube channel. In my channel, I discuss about money, freelancing, how you can make money online, how you can save, how you can invest money, how to go out of debt. Anything regarding money, we discuss about it here. We also talk about cryptocurrency. So if this topic resonates with you, if you're interested in topics like this, I want you to watch this video to the end and like and sub to the channel. It's going to be fantastic. So let's begin. How can you get into freelancing if you do not have any experience? Or how can you become a better freelancer if you do not have any experience? By the end of this video, you will get all you need to do to come as far as I have done or even more better than I have done over a period of 2 years that I've been making all content online. So you can come to my channel, for example. You can see most of my popular videos have gotten over 50,000 views, some 26,000, some 6,000, some 58,000. And over this period of time, this channel have generated money for me. If you come over to my Oppo account, you can see I have generated some money so far in a matter of 3 months, and I still have 2 running contracts, as you can see here. So this is evidence that it is possible to make money online through freelancing. But first, one of the important things you need to know is that you need some form of skill or knowledge in order to succeed as a freelancer. So how are you going to get this knowledge? That is what I'm going to show you. So first of all, what I started doing was I tried to master how to create digital content or product. For example, I tried to learn how to use Canva. I mastered how to create posts, promotional posts, social media posts, how to edit images using Canva. So you can spend some time learning how to do this on Canva. You can use the free version. You do not need to use the Pro. Although I've used the Pro for some time now, but you can start up with the free version. So if you still need tutorials on how you can do it, I want you to write it down in the comment section, and I'm going to create a video on how you can use Canva. It's going to be simple so that even if you're starting for the first time, it's going to be easy for you. So Canva is a wonderful place in which you can learn, you can practice some skills that you can sell. Because if you go to some freelancing sites such as Upwork, you can realize that most people are actually looking for posts. For example, let's go look for Instagram on Upwork, Instagram post. As you can see, there are many people looking for Instagram post designer. You can see someone said they're looking for a creative specialist for e-commerce brand. So they're seeking for beauty and salon influencer for UGC. So under this section, you can see people are looking for Instagram Reels and TikTok, a post designer, social media post designer, social media content and strategies, social media posts, ads posting. So if you spend some time on Canva, you can actually learn valuable skills in which you can sell here on Upwork. But if you do not have any skill, you will not be able to sell something. So when you have gotten the skill, you can now start making money as a freelancer. Note, without any skill, you will not be able to succeed because now freelancing is becoming more difficult. So you need some form of knowledge or experience in order to succeed. Although you do not need to be an expert in this, but at least you need some form of knowledge. What do I mean by you do not need to be an expert? If you have the basic knowledge required in order to create professional Instagram posts or social media posts, at least you have the knowledge. You can then subcontract it to someone that you know is way better than you in this field. So that is something else you can do. But first, you need to learn the basics. So Canva gives you the opportunity to do. Apart from that, making Instagram posts or social media posts is not just that, you can also learn topics such as video editing. My favorite websites to learn online skills is Udemy. So you can come search for video editing and you can see them at cheap prices. As you can see, I have even a discount. I can buy courses as low as 3,900 naira. What you just need to do is come and select the best rated courses. And you can see this is 6 hours long, so it is in depth. You can learn a lot from it. Over a period of time, you get better and you can even master these video editing skills. And you can come to platforms such as Upwork to look for jobs related to that. For example, video editor, you click on it. You're going to see a lot of jobs that need a video editor. You can see video editor for advertising videos, real estate video editing. So you see jobs like this, you do not even need to do the video itself. The clients who provide you with the videos, and all you just need to do is make the content for them. So after you've mastered at least one of these two skills, even if you know it to some extent, at least now you have the knowledge. You will now be able to either do the work yourself or source someone that you feel can do it better. Then all you just need to do, LinkedIn is very important. It's important so that you are up to date with your latest skill that you have. It's good to always share it so that persons are aware of the progress you are making. So LinkedIn is very important. Do not forget that. And you can also share your story, just like myself, on a YouTube channel. Anything you learn, you can create a YouTube video about it and share it with your friends. So that's just few steps in which you can succeed as a freelancer. Remember, first you need the skills. You can learn and better your skill on image or post editing using Canva, and you can also learn more about video editing using Udemy or any other skill you want. Let's say you also want to learn picture or image editing or post, whatever skill you want to learn. Graphic design, I want to learn something regarding this, you can come to Udemy and you learn and you get the best content. Or you want UI, UX design. So one beautiful thing about this platform is as soon as you've learned it, you can use Canva, implement the ones that are available. Or you just source for which software they are currently using, like Figma. You can also use it to better your skill. After you have done that, all you just need to do is come to Upwork or you come to Fiverr and showcase your skill. And after that is done, you can also document your journey by having a YouTube channel. If you follow all these steps in the shortest period of time, making money on your own. So that's how you can get started as a freelancer, even when you do not have any experience. You just need to dedicate some time to learn it. And that is it. If you found this video encouraging, I want you to like this video and it's up to the channel and do it fantastic. I'm going to see you next in my next video.